Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disconnecting your PS5 from the internet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Network. In Network, select Settings from the left. The first option here is called Connect to the Internet. Disable this toggle to disconnect your PS5 console from the internet. When you want to go online, come back here and enable the setting. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.